Hello, welcome to Benelli. In this short video, we'll take you on a journey into the heart of the Benelli factory. We want to give all our viewers a taste of the Benelli factory experience. From a small region known as Montefeltro in central Italy, every day 272 workers work as one to bring you all the world famous Benelli shotguns. The Benelli factory is situated in central Italy in an area known as Montefeltro within the Marche region. It is one of the most important areas of the Italian Renaissance. It conserves a remarkable architectural heritage. Here we are on the new entrance hall, which was completed this year to honour Benelli's 50th anniversary. As soon as you enter this hall, you can feel the pride in being connected with the city of Urbino and Montefeltro. These portraits depict the Duke Federico da Montefeltro and his wife Battista Sforza. We are strong believers that the territory has played a big part in Benelli's success, from inspirational works of art, beautiful landscapes, fresh air, and not forgetting the wonderful food this territory has to offer. When you tell somebody you work for Benelli, one of the first things they will ask you is, how do you go about making a shotgun? That is in fact a very good question. Today we're going to show you the main steps in creating a shotgun. First, the sales and marketing team analyse the market through market research, talking to hunters or to sport shooters about their needs. This could be anything from restyling to reinventing a completely new product, as was the case with the Vinci, Superbe, or with the over and under 828U. Before anything is built, the design team goes to work sketching the look and technical features they want the new gun to have. Skilled engineers start designing the new product using sophisticated software. Different project options and different mechanical solutions are virtually analysed using this simulated software in order to make precise calculations and reduce the number of tests needed in real prototypes. The new product CAD 3D model is then transferred to the testing department. Here, they start creating a prototype using 5-axis milling machines and 3D printers. The first small lot of prototypes is assembled and tested in the ballistic laboratory. Product qualification testing procedures include reliability testing, precision testing, safety testing, along with many others. Field tests with hunters and shooters are also executed. Once the product qualification has been completed, the project is released to the engineering phase for delivery to serial production and marketing launch. In many companies, new technology, especially robotics, is frowned upon by the workforce. You often hear people arguing that robots have taken jobs away from humans. This is obviously true to many companies, but here in Benelli, we embrace new technology. One of the reasons being, we have always been assisted by new technology. Robots do the majority of the machining. They work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, producing large amounts of materials to be checked for quality and precision, which are then moved to various parts of the factory to be finalised, before moving to the assembly area, testing and packaging, which is 95% manual labour. Some jobs are repetitive and physically strenuous. The actual workers themselves have asked for robotic solutions. For example, some of the metal polishing workers complained of pain in their lower backs and arms after hours of polishing against brushes. Now they have robots doing all the hard work, and they only check for quality of finish. Benelli has grown with the advancement of technology, and in the last few years has become a smart factory, also known as Industry 4.0. We believe that the Industry 4.0 is the only way forward in an ever-changing world. The 4.0 being the fourth industrial revolution, which is happening right now. Cyber-physical systems rely on automation and data exchange between various technologies. Our latest addition to Benelli factory are smart mobile rovers, which move material from one department to the other, communicating with computers and operators. The rover is able to calculate which order to deliver material in, to optimize production and choosing the quickest route. One thing is certain here in Benelli, with all the robotics, computers and rovers, we will always put our name and reputation before anything. And if we feel through innovation we are losing our traditions, we will drop everything in a heartbeat. The Benelli name has always been linked with quality. There are many levels of checks for quality during the whole process of making a shotgun. The automated robots measure automatically precision and tolerance and will call an operator at the first sign of imperfection. The atmospheric conditions cause metals to expand and shrink with changes in temperature. So here in the quality assurance lab, using various technologies like the CMM, it recreates a 3D model of specific parts and compares it to the exact dimensions stored in the computer. This area is kept at a constant 20 degrees centigrade, which is the ideal working temperature for aluminium and steel. Each worker has permission to discard any material which they do not feel meet the Benelli standards. Now follow me and I will show you where the most important quality control happens. After the test firing and cleaning, this is the final quality check before packaging. My colleagues here have developed an eye for perfection. They can spot any imperfections even in the dark. Each operator is assigned a certain model, so in time they acquire an unparalleled knowledge of each weapon they handle. Here you can see the work area of each operator. They are protected on three sides by bulletproof walls for extra safety. There you have it, a perfect Benelli shotgun ready for some lucky shooter. Every morning at 6 AM, the Benelli factory is populated by a workforce of 272 workers. Every worker is specialised in a certain department. In this way, we can assure that everyone has the highest training in using the tools and technology they are given. Before we are allowed to shoot any guns, they have to pass through the National Proof House. In 1997, Benelli was able to obtain licensing from the Interior Ministry to open its own proofing house here on site. The first thing you will notice when your Benelli arrives is the care and detail that goes into the packaging. We are strong believers that you can only make the first impression once. The actual packaging has countless hours of research involved. It is not only our business card, but it's also your invite to the Benelli family. Our shotgun has been tested by the National Proof House. It has been test fired, cleaned and also passed final inspection. It is then oiled and moved here to the packaging area. My colleague Andrea will show us the process of packaging. As you will notice, the computer assists the operator so he doesn't accidentally forget anything. Once the packaging is sealed, a robotic arm will stack and wrap the pallets. The pallet is then sent by conveyor belt to the storage area. This is a highly guarded area and access is prohibited to non-authorized personnel. The pallets are placed into the automated warehouse and can only be recalled using secure codes before being shipped. When you buy a Benelli shotgun, you become a priority for our company. They will take care of your every need, from choosing your ideal shotgun to pampering you with a complete after-sales service. If you have any queries, you can contact this office. Here, Danilo and his team will take care of your every need. If you would like to have your gun overhauled or modified, you can visit your local Benelli dealer. Our dealers have all been trained to work on all Benelli guns. But if you are fortunate enough to be able to visit the Benelli factory here in Urbino, you will see our in-house workshop. Here, Daniele and his team will take care of all your customer needs. If you consider that Benelli has 272 workers, working 3 shifts, 24 hours, producing no less than 800 finished shotguns per day, the numbers of repairs is very low, and mostly they are customers that want their Benelli refurbished after years of wear and tear. This rack shows the guns that are being worked on. The Benelli factory is surrounded by greenery. Here we have our very own nature walk, where all staff can enjoy a nice stroll and relax during their breaks. Contact with nature is fundamental for us here in Benelli and is one of our greatest allies. To be a successful hunter, you must understand and respect all aspects of nature and wildlife. We also believe to be successful in business, you must also respect the environment. Follow me and I will show you how we do our part here in Benelli. These are the certifications Benelli has obtained working in a clean and safe manner for many years. Benelli is very careful when it comes to the environment. The wastewaters are tested every day before they are released into the sewer system. This way we are 100% sure not to pollute the waters. The first thing you will notice is how clean the factory is. I remember a foreign journalist saying, "It's the only factory I've ever seen that if I dropped a biscuit on the floor, I would pick it up and eat it without hesitation." The love and bond we have with our territory, it is only natural we promote it. Every year, in collaboration with the University of Urbino, we hold a contest for young emerging artists. We have many works of art around the Benelli factory that remind us of the beautiful territory which we live in. Montefeltro. Thank you for watching. Benelli, always a step ahead.